Welcome back, my favorite students. So the essential questions, we're continuing with our unit on conflict. And it's important to link vocabulary and the author's craft with what's going on in literature. So what we're going to do is explore some vocabulary that is generally conflict related. Your essential questions for this lesson are: why is vocabulary important? And how do these words relate to conflict? By the end of this lesson, you should be able to define your vocab words that have to deal with conflict and use your vocab words to tell a story about conflict. Okay? Your standards are related to vocabulary. Go Keystones, we're going to master those. Okay? And this is lesson number 3. All right, guys. So on the board here, I have a bunch of vocabulary words for you. The following words are related to conflict, and they're purposely used by authors because they deal with conflict. Okay? Amicably, antagonize, cooperate, differences, equity, grievance, issue, mediate, survival, and war battle. You may or may not know some of these, and that's okay. That's today's lesson. You may know none of them. That's fine as well. What I want you guys to do, and you'll see this in your lesson below, is I want you to categorize these words. So we're going to actually check ourselves. Which words do you know well? Put them in the chart. Which words do you know a little bit? Put them in the middle of the chart. Which words do you not know? And you're not getting a grade based on this. I just want you to assess where you're at as a student. Your vocabulary, place all of these words into a category based on how well you know these words. The next step then is to research them on the web. You can go to dictionary.com if you'd like. You can use the old school way that I did as a kid and look them up in a physical dictionary if you have that resource available to you. You can go online. Do not use Wikipedia, please, please, please. And I want you to define these words and make sure you understand them. And here is some help as well for you, which I can leave for you, but if you're really struggling, there is some help here. But I would prefer that you look up these words independently and take the hard road there. And here's a checklist. Did you define your vocab words in this lesson? Okay, it's going to take you obviously longer than the 2 minutes I've been recording. And I want you to use your vocabulary words to tell a story about conflict. So you're not only identifying the vocabulary words, you're going to apply your knowledge now, the new knowledge that you have in your brain, to writing a short story using these vocabulary words. There's a quiz below, and then there's an assignment that will link to this as well. Please contact me if you need help. And you should be completing homework number 2, which is creative conflict vocabulary. And I also want you to check out homework number 3, which is the survival game controversy. Okay? Let me know if you have any questions. Define those words, categorize them, do your assignments, and let me know if you guys have any questions. And of course, attend class if you do. Have a great day, guys.